This channel is all about earning college degrees really, really fast. I'm talking full bachelor's degrees in months, not years. And believe it or not, one of the most popular degrees people ask me to accelerate is psychology. So in today's video, I wanted to walk you through how to earn an entire bachelor's degree, yes, a 4-year degree in psychology in 6 months or less. And I know it sounds crazy. You got to take a little bit of a different approach. You have to not follow the school's system of homework and textbooks and lesson plans and study guides and all of this stuff that we're used to in college. But if you're okay with a little bit of a different approach and not doing it the school's way, you can go earn these degrees, the same degrees, in months instead of years. And I'm going to walk you through how in this video. I'm going to show you the schools you need to choose. I'm going to walk you through the process. And as a bonus, I'm actually going to show you how to make more money with a psychology degree because it's generally a lower paying degree if you don't do it right. So I'm going to show you how to increase your earnings over your career with a psychology degree as well. So without further ado, let's dive in. If you are interested in this content, just like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, step one is you have to find universities with programs that allow you to test out of classes and to self-study and to earn degrees at your own pace. Now, I'm going to walk you through some programs that I love, but what I'm always looking for is number one, fully competency-based education programs, which essentially means the school is allowing you to prove your knowledge to gain credit instead of going through the traditional cycle to gain credit. And don't worry, you don't have to have the knowledge, you just need this structure of program. And number two, I, as an added bonus, like schools that offer what is called flat rate tuition. So let's say you go get a 4-year degree in 6 months. They're going to make it so you only have to pay for 6 months instead of graduating faster and still paying for 4 years, which is absolutely not what we want to do. Let me walk you through some school programs that I think might be a good fit. Now, the first school here is called Western Governors University. They've been around for a really long time. They have a really good reputation. They can get you into really high-level master's programs down the road. If you get a bachelor's degree here, it's a really great school. Now, if we scroll down, they have business programs, tech programs, health and nursing is what we're looking for. If we go to bachelor's degrees here in health and nursing, what we can do is we can scroll down just a little bit and boom, right here, they have this psychology degree and it's a Bachelor of Science degree. If we view the degree, as you can see here, we scroll down and they say 95% of graduates finish similar programs in less than 4 years. So the average student graduates faster. It's not normal to go earn your degree in 6 months, but we're just not going to do it the school's way, and it's going to help you go faster. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. But this program here is one of my favorites for psychology. Again, it's a Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Another program I want to show you is offered by the University of Maine at Presque Isle. Now, they have this Presque Isle campus. It's online, and they have what are called these Your Pace academic programs. And what Your Pace means is competency-based. Just like WGU, all of their programs are competency-based. UMPI, only some of them are. So what you're looking for is these Your Pace programs. If we go to academic programs, we're going to scroll down here and you can see a big list of their degrees. They're all in alphabetical order, but right here, this is a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology. Now, difference between these two schools, Western Governors University, they have more multiple choice exams. This school here, UMPI, has more essays. So if you're a better writer, you can go earn this degree more quickly. Now, this specific degree here, I worked with a student in the past who came into this program here with an associate's degree already, and she finished this Your Pace Psychology degree at UMPI in about 8 weeks. But she was a really good writer. So that's 2 years of school in 8 weeks. I've seen this program earned really, really quickly. If you're a good writer, this might be a program that could be a good fit for you. Now, these are my favorite bachelor's degrees for psychology, but there's a bit of a challenge, and I'm going to show you some money stuff in just a minute. But one of the things I want to talk about is that earning bachelor's degrees in psychology generally leads to low pay. You need at least a master's degree to qualify for some of the high-paying jobs, which I will get to. I promise I'll show you some of the jobs, and it will make perfect sense, and you'll have a plan in your mind. But unfortunately, Western Governors University and UMPI do not have fully self-paced master's degrees in psychology, although I have heard that WGU is working on one right now. Now, there are two schools that have fully self-paced master's degrees in psychology right now. One of them is Capella University, but you have to choose a very specific program. So I'm going to show you how. If we go into degrees and programs here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into master's degrees, scroll down to psychology, and you can do this. You can scroll through and see if they have this for any of these, but we're going to go to this MS in psychology, a Master of Science in Psychology, and you're going to look for something really specific. I'm going to scroll down on this page, and we are going to find the program that allows you to go at your own pace. Here it is here. It is called FlexPath. FlexPath is their name for competency-based, which means you can go at your own pace. So you can see students frequently do this in less than 15 months and under $18,000. And if you're doing it right, you should go a lot faster than this. But it's this program here, this FlexPath program. It's a Master of Science in Psychology. You can look for this FlexPath option on any of their degrees on the whole website, but you got to make sure it's offered in FlexPath. Now, the next school is called Walden University, and you're looking for these tempo learning programs right here. Tempo learning is their name for competency-based. Now, if we scroll down here, I'm going to show you there's this tab here that says programs offered. And if you click here, it's going to open up this menu of their tempo learning programs. And as you can see here, they have this Master of Science in Psychology. It's fully self-paced, the tempo learning, so it's a lot cheaper. It's also flat rate tuition, which is great, right? Now, one thing, a little caveat here, every state has their own requirements for what they want in psychologists and therapists. So if you get a master's degree, sometimes that's not enough. Sometimes you need specific licensure. Sometimes the master's degree you need to earn needs to have specific credentials or accreditation. So you need to make sure you do the research for your state specifically if you want to be a psychologist or a therapist. Now, I'm going to get into the money thing in just a second, but next, I want to give you step 2 of actually how to earn this degree in months instead of years, because these programs, they're not quite enough. You need to actually take a different approach, and that approach is what I call going rogue. Okay, I know it sounds like a funny term, but essentially what I mean is instead of learning the school's way with their homework assignments and their lectures and their textbooks and all the things that they give you to learn, you're going to self-study the information. So instead of opening a textbook, you can go to YouTube and watch YouTube videos. You can use AI. You can use modern technology to learn the material. So you're going to figure out what you need to learn, and you're going to learn it at your own pace. That way you can come back, prove your knowledge to the school, and then get credit a whole lot faster. Now, I do teach students how to do this all the time. If you want help, I'll leave some links in the description down below. But let's jump to the money. Now, if we look at the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, this is my favorite place to look for income data because the government charges us money in taxes. They know what degrees we have, they know what jobs we have, and they know how much money we're paying in taxes, so they know our income. They take this data and they give us information on field of degree, different careers, different occupations, and they show you how much money people on average make. And if you look at field of degree in US BLS, they say that the median annual wage for people with a psychology degree, it's only $60,000. So we need to take a different approach to the career if we want to make more money. Now, this $60,000 is for a couple of reasons. If we scroll down, we can look at what jobs did people actually have with this degree. And as you can see, people with psychology degrees, elementary school teachers, okay, elementary school teachers is 4%, management, 3%, social workers, which are notoriously underpaid, unfortunately, social workers, 3%, psychologists, which is a higher paying field in psychology, it's only 3%, right? Health specialist teachers or post-secondary teachers, 3%. So if you look through here, a lot of people with these types of degrees just don't actually go in to psychology. So you take a psychology degree and go into business. Well, I'd rather have a business degree and go to business. I'll probably make more money with a business degree, right? Or lots of people just become a teacher. That's lower paying as well. So here's what you're going to want to do. Let's say you want to actually go get the master's degree and you're like, I want to be a therapist, okay? You need to actually look at income data for that particular field. Again, USBLS, the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, if you want to be a marriage and family therapist, their median pay in 2024, so this is a few years out of date, but it doesn't increase by that much. It's only $63,000 per year. Having said that, if you wanted to be a psychologist, again, USBLS, if you want to be a psychologist, they make on average of $94,000 per year. So what you want to do, if you want to be a therapist, you need to look at all the different paths you can take with psychology degrees and do actual income research to see which path you want to go. A lot of people think, I'm going to be a therapist, I'm going to make a lot of money, and then they find out they don't actually make that much. Now, another thing you can do to make more money is private practice. If you go get a job as a therapist for a school or for a large company or whatever it may be, if you are working for someone else as a therapist, you're always going to make less money. I mean, unless you're really bad at business and your practice is not good and you're not good at marketing and those types of things. But in general, if you have your own practice, you can make more money. Obviously, you need the business savvy, you need to know how to do it, but there's information all over the internet that can teach you how to do things like that, how to start your own practice. You just need to make sure to have the licensure. So that's my 2 cents on making more money with psychology degrees. Now, this video is to help you earn the degree faster. If you want help doing that, I will leave some links down below to a tutorial on how to do it and to my program where I help students do this all the time. Hope this video has added value to your day. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.